you know, I was so predictable. I felt invisible, and I was miserable till I met you. And you know, I was so professional, taking occasional, and was at her out trying to keep you.
What's up guys, and welcome back to yet another video. As you can probably tell from today's intro, we'll be shooting my 2001 530i. It's an E39 BMW. It's a bit of an older beauty, but I really love her. Yeah, to be honest, I haven't been really motivated to work on this car for the last year, so there are a couple of bits and bobs that aren't as perfect as I would like them to be. Like I have bumper sag, the wheels are curved, stuff like that. But I thought regardless of that, I'll be giving this car a photo shoot. And what's special about today is I'm going to be shooting this car on 35mm film, which I've never done before. I've never shot any automotive stuff on film, so I'm very excited to try that today. I brought my Olympus OM2 SP with me and a 35mm f2.8, 50 f1.4 which I borrowed from a friend, and a 135 3.5 which I borrowed from the same friend as well. And yeah, I'm here near where I live in a rural area, trying to get some nice nature shots with matching the green tone. This is Oxford green, by the way. I hope that this doesn't get too washed out or too muddied up in all this green scenery. But yeah, I'm just keen to try this out, try 35mm for automotive photography. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get straight into shooting.
You wanna talk, I already know. Maybe we should just let this thing go. You and your friends driving up the coast, and they're trying to convince you that I just can't.
Just as a side note, I'll be mounting my GoPro onto the hot shoe mount of my OM2 SP, just like you can see right here. And I'll be using that as the POV perspective for today's video. And the field of view of the GoPro is not quite wide enough to capture the lens itself as well into the frame, so it does not really look like a POV angle. But obviously now you know that that is the POV perspective of today's video. Also, what I forgot to do is to, let's see if the key is still in, to raise the sunroof up. So we have this spoiler alert, baby. Ooh, the light does look pretty nice now. Let's go, the sun just came out. And boom! There we go. Also guys, I wanted to note, actually I'm vlogging on the GoPro on the OM2 SP at the moment. I wanted to note that I am shooting everything overexposed, and the OM2 SP or spot program, as the name suggests, does have a spot meter, so I'm always exposing for the shadows, which are usually always these dark parts in the car. Just because you usually should expose film for the shadows, because if it's not exposed, there's nothing there to edit, so, or nothing there to enhance in the scanner. So that's what I'm exposing for, just as a side note for the video. So you guys probably noticed that I did put a lot of effort into the intro and into the videography side of this video, which is still something I'm learning. I basically only have done photography in the past, and video was just a very side thing for me and not really what I was primarily interested in and primarily good at. So I'm trying to, with growing this YouTube channel, I'm trying to improve my video skills, and that's why I'm also forcing myself to, actually not forcing myself, I'm having a lot of fun doing this, but I'm just wanting to create more videos and more cinematic style videos and include them into my YouTube videos. So if you liked it today in this video, then please leave a thumbs up or comment what you liked or what I should improve in the next video. But yeah, I just wanted to note that this is something I'm definitely working on. Doesn't this look awesome, guys? I think it was worth taking the illegal risk. But yeah, I think I'm going to switch to the 35 or maybe take 1 or 2 shots with the 50, because I think I need a bit of a wider lens to capture the scene. But it looks so nice, guys. Okay, I'll be switching to the 35 f2.8 now because I need a little bit of a wider lens. But I have to say, this 50 is pretty fun. I'm having a lot of fun using it. Okay, car's reparked. Let's see how it looks. Light. This is how I look when I take those shots, bro. Hopefully it's worth it. And my jeans, no! What a beautiful location, guys. The sun is just setting, is throwing this beautiful golden hour light onto this beautiful field scene here, which is actually this, I don't actually know what the English word is for like Flugplatz. I'll put it up on screen if I remember to do that later on. Anyways, I think I'm getting some pretty decent shots on film, and I'm happy with how the shoot is going on so far. I probably have showed you some of the POV footage at this point in the video. But yeah, I think I'm done with this spot for now. I think I got the most of this location. And I'm going to move to a different location, which is located behind those trees. I think it's about a 7-minute drive. I've never been there, so I can't promise you that it's going to be mind-blowing or anything. I just scouted on Google Maps and on Google Earth, which is something I do very often to find new locations. And I think I'm just going to hop in the car, drive over there, use the rest of this golden hour light to get some pictures over there if the location turns out to be shootable or beautiful. Also guys, I'm really excited for this. My brother actually has this car mount, this car suction cup mount for the GoPro. And I think I'm going to try and mount it to my exhaust, or near the exhaust on the rear bumper, and try to record some exhaust sound. Even though this is not the loudest car, it does have a pretty nice inline 6 sound the typical BMW sound. So I'm just gonna try and record it. If it works, it will end up in this video. If it doesn't, it won't. So let's just give it a shot. Enough shenanigans. I really hope the GoPro was still back there, because I wasn't taking it too easy on the car. Even though it probably looked slow as shit on the camera because it's so wide. And also, honestly, this car isn't that fast. But let's check. Oh, sorry. Let's just check if it's still there. It's still there. Let's go. Hopefully the sound was somewhat accurate and it wasn't destroyed by any wind noise. Oh, this car looks so good. The angel eyes look so good. Crazy shots I'm getting right now. Okay, let's be really quick. I'm not gonna turn off the car because I'm in the middle of the road. I'm gonna get out the camera and snap a couple of pictures. I don't even know if I have time to set up the GoPro. I'm just gonna go for it. The pictures are more important now. Yeah, let's do that. That concludes our little baby photo shoot that we did today of my 2001 E39 530i. I had a lot of fun. I shot 2 rolls and I really hope that after development they turn out really nice. Obviously you've seen them by now in the POV section of this video, but I haven't, so I'm really keen on seeing them. I'm probably going to go straight to the film lab tomorrow morning. And yeah, the E39 is lurking in the background. The angel eyes do look super aggressive. It's just lurking there in the background. I really do love this car, even though I've neglected it in the past few years. And I honestly just realized this is the first time that this car is making a presence on this channel, even though I've had it for close to 4 years now. And it has been my hobby and basically my passion for the last 4 years, when photography kind of took a backseat. And yeah, so that's the reason why I haven't been uploading on this channel. I guess part of the reason. Anyway, yeah, that was our baby little photo shoot. I think we probably should come away with 30s or so photos. 50% success rate would be perfect. And also, I finally got to try out that 51.4. I'm really keen on seeing the results. Again, obviously you've already seen them in the video, but I'm really keen on seeing what that lens can do, because it is still worth quite some money. Even though it's not mine, it's just borrowed. I'm really keen to see the sharpness, the image rendering, and just how the image characteristics look. Yeah, with that being said, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. I tried a lot of new different things, a lot of new different videography things I haven't tried before. Recording on this iPhone and recording there and mixing the audio together is something I've never done before. So I really hope you liked it and maybe even appreciate the effort I put into this video. And yeah, if you did like it, please leave a like in the video description. No, please leave a like in the video down below. And if you loved it, I would really appreciate if you could sub to the channel. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next one.